Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set your keyboard mode to standard one-handed or floating keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, tap on general management, and in general management, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now go down and tap on mode. In here you have portrait view and landscape view. In portrait view you can choose standard keyboard, one-handed keyboard, or floating keyboard. So this is the one-handed keyboard. So if I open up my keyboard, this is what it looks like for one-handed keyboard. While you're in this mode, you can move the keyboard to the left hand side or to the right hand side, or you can expand the keyboard to a standard mode. Now if we go back into settings, I go down to mode and choose floating keyboard. This is what it looks like when you are switching to a floating keyboard. And floating keyboard allows you to move the keyboard around the screen. Now to close the floating keyboard, you can drag it down to the bottom, and then once you see a highlighted blue box, you can let go, and that will turn your floating keyboard back to a standard keyboard. Now if I go back into mode, you can also switch to split keyboard as well, but you have to use it in landscape mode. So in landscape, if I turn my phone into landscape mode, I have to turn on the auto rotate button, and then we now go into landscape mode. And if I bring out my keyboard, you can see now I have a split keyboard. This allows me to easily reach the key on my left hand and on my right hand. And that's it. So that is how you can change your keyboard mode to standard one-handed or floating keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.